Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again with another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a skin fade all the way around on a good waver. As you can see, he's 10 years old. Let's go. So that's the finished product. I'm going to show y'all how I went ahead and started the whole process. I went ahead and combed him, made sure everything was lifted off of his scalp as far as his hair. I went with the one fully closed with the grain, as you can see. After I go with the grain, I'm going to use a 1.5, and then I'm going to go against the grain just to debulk. After I debulk, I'm going to just start with the lever fully closed. But as you see right now, I'm just working with the crown area just to make sure that everything lays evenly and everything is like balanced. So as you see now, I'm going with the 1.5. I'm going against the grain just to go ahead and debulk, to go ahead and start the process as I go. And then I'm going to go lever fully closed, as you can see. Stand below his occipital bone. Like I said, this is his first time trying it, so usually we do a 10 fade, but he went to try something new. Y'all can't say his wave's not spinning. He's 10. Yeah, he's 10 now. So as you see, I'm just prepping the hairline. I go ahead and get the hairline out of the way. He was trying to wonder, like, how could I fix his hairline knowing how it is, because his hair is curling up with the waves. So as you see, I'm going lever open. I'm just balancing everything out, making sure I'm staying consistent so everything will be even as I fade it. As you see, I had to move the clippers right here with the same direction of his hair. So right now I'm just going 1/2 inch, lever fully open, staying consistent all the way around the head just to make sure that it's a balanced fade and that it's not like lopsided or anything like that. So right there I'm going halfway, going below that guideline I had just set. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm just describing how I went ahead and did it. So after that, I'm gonna go back with the 1. Well, right here I'm doing a 1.5. I'm debulking above the 1 where I would be doing it, just to lighten it up, just so it'll be a smoother transition. As you see, I'm just staying consistent right there, piece by piece, and then I'm cutting into his waves just so they can lay down a little bit better, going against the grain. I'm doing the same thing on both sides. I'm angling my clippers, just staying consistent. That's the lever fully open with the 1 guard, transitioning into that 1.5 I was just using, just so they can be side by side. So now I'm going with the grain and against the grain right now, just to have a balanced transition. As you see, I'm still flicking out. I'm using both techniques just so the hair can lay down and be smooth as I go. So I'm detailing as I go as well, as you can see with the guard. So now I'm using a 1/2 guard, just making sure everything is nice and smooth. And I'm mainly flicking out, I'm not really cutting into it. That's my next client. So you see, I'm just going with the flow with everything, just making sure everything is laying down. And then I'm gonna detail again, right there where the wave is, just to make sure that it's a very smooth transition. So right here, he was wondering how I was going to fix his hairline. I just started in the middle, went from left to right, and look at the results just like this. So I'm combing the hair consistently just to make sure any flyover hairs that they'll get cut, just in case, like sometimes you get a haircut then it doesn't look like you got a haircut the next day. That's because the barbers is not double checking with the hair flow as far as combing it again, just to line it up. So as you see, it looks very clean after I'm prepped. Well, I did prep it, stuff like that. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I kept him right where he was. I didn't have to push him back or nothing like that. Very smooth transition. Look at the fade, look at the lineup. So as you see, I'm just holding his head steady just so he don't move, just in case, or whatever. And I'm consistently combing down the hair just in case I miss anything. I'm going over it multiple times just to make sure I got everything. Very clean, very smooth. Just blew off the extra hair. He can see it in the mirror, so he definitely like his cut. Like I said, it's his first time trying, so. And he's been rocking with this cut ever since, so it looks very clean, very smooth. Look at him, bro, feeling himself. He crazy. This is the end result. Y'all stay tuned for all my other tutorials. Piece by piece. Let's go. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj and bjs.cuts with 2 Z's.